another vlog. So y'all have seen some clips of me in my new apartment, y'all, because I finally moved, y'all. I am so excited to finally be in my new space and in my own space. So y'all, this has been a process, a journey. So much has been going on. I have not vlogged really like that these past few months. Your girl has been working, okay? I've been heads down working, really pretty much just sitting down, getting prepared for this move. So I've just basically been getting things, you guys, a little bit at a time, and really need to give y'all a little more information about where I've been and what's been happening these past 5 months that I've been missing from YouTube. I have been uploading some shorts, but not any long form content. But yeah, it is Saturday. I washed my hair the other day, y'all, so I have it braided up still. I put this little cap situation on because I ended up buying a office chair from Wayfair, y'all, that is not tall enough to fit in my little office space here in my inside of my apartment. So I ended up selling that to someone that I know. So I dropped that off to her this morning, and then I also sold her my mirror because my mirror was gold around the edges, but I think I want one that is black or just maybe like a completely different style mirror. So when I was out earlier, y'all, I stopped at the grocery store. I got some groceries. I went to Kroger, and then so I pretty much put all of that up. I bought myself some flowers, you guys. I bought some roses, but they are not looking full enough for me. So I think I'm gonna go back to the store and get some more to add in my vase. And then I also want to add some in my bedroom or whatever. But yeah, we are booked today, you guys, for a candle making class. So I'm very excited about that. We're going to a Black-owned studio here in Atlanta. And I found them on TikTok. I seen it at some point last year, and I've had it saved for a while. So I am very excited to go to that. But yeah, y'all, I haven't done a ton so far to my apartment. Again, I'm just getting things a little at a time. So of course I have my little office area set up in here. I did buy a new bed. Y'all, ignore my little table. It's not the cleanest right now. And I thought I was gonna have enough roses to put in my vase beside my bed. That's how I've been splitting up the flowers, y'all. I have discovered that I do not like how faux flowers look, and really I think I just need to find like a quality company that has some cute faux flowers or whatever, because most of them look so ugly and cheap to me. So I've been using real flowers in all of my vases so far, but I do want to order some faux ones to put in my bedroom beside my bed eventually. Obviously I want to put something above the bed, and maybe something as well above my lamp over there, so we'll see. I do have a TV stand that I got delivered this week that I am excited about, so I have to actually get the TV. And then the sofa, y'all, is gonna be my biggest purchase. Still trying to figure out which sofa I want. It's not a whole lot of storage in here, y'all, so I have gotten rid of a lot of things. I still have a good amount of stuff to unpack. 2024 is truly a year that I'm gonna be focused on me, y'all, because when I left off of my last vlogs, I met a new person, y'all, and I have to go into that at some point and let y'all know about that. But that situation, you guys, was just a very honestly crazy situation. Thought I had me one, y'all. Ended up being the biggest liar I've ever met. The situation was honestly crazy, you guys, but basically I guess he was like a wolf in sheep's clothing, pretty much. I'm not even worried about anybody in that way. I have so much to do for my new space, and this has been taking up a lot of time for me. I definitely need to get back to my socials and posting and things like that, and recording, and really don't have time for distractions this year. So yeah, I'm just kind of over it. But anyway, so yeah, so we are headed to the candle class at 5 o'clock right now. It's like 2 something, almost 3. So I'm about to start getting ready soon. I need to figure out what I'm going to wear.